Welcome to George on Cars. Today, I've got an amazing video. I'm going to show you how to deep clean two different types of floor mats that you might have in your car. But before we get to the video, let me tell you a little bit about this month's charity of the month. And if you're enjoying the content on the channel, please hit the subscribe button, as it really helps the channel get some visibility, and it only takes a second. And by the way, if there's any content you want to see on the channel, or if you want a cool shirt like the one I'm wearing here, send me an email at georgeoncars@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe. This month's charity of the month is the Heart and Stroke Foundation. Now, the Heart and Stroke Foundation has been dedicated to fighting heart disease and stroke for over 60 years. They empower people to live healthier lives and fight for change that will create better health for everyone. They're also a major funder of life-saving research, which has led to some breakthroughs in heart transplant surgery and revolutionary stroke treatments. They're a great organization, so check out their website, which has some amazing information. You can even volunteer your time or make a small donation if you'd like. Thanks a lot for supporting this great charity, and I hope you enjoy the video. Now, there's not a whole lot of things that you're going to need in order to do a great job cleaning your floor mats. But here's some of the things that I'll be using to clean the two types of floor mats that you might have in your car. I'll be using a power washer, carpet shampoo, super clean degreaser, my leaf blower, a drill with these cool brush attachments, and a wet dry vacuum. Now, the rubber floor mats in this car haven't been cleaned since last summer, and as you can see, they're really dirty. I've also got a set of the carpeted floor mats that we used for a year or so before we installed the rubber ones, and today we're going to clean both. Now, whether you're cleaning rubber or carpeted floor mats, the process is essentially the same. So let's get started. So step number one, remove the floor mats and shake loose any dirt and debris, and then power wash them. When removing the floor mats from the car, try to fold them inward to keep all the dirt and debris trapped in the floor mat. This is going to prevent the dirt from falling out onto the carpet and into the car, which is the whole point of having a floor mat in the first place. Once you have the mats pulled out, give them a quick shake to loosen off any large debris and dirt, and then fire up your power washer. Give the mats a really good going over with the power washer, but be careful not to use too aggressive of a nozzle. If you do use too aggressive of a nozzle, you risk ending up fraying the carpeted mats and ruining them. Take your time going over the mats and work the nozzle back and forth slowly to make sure that you get all that ground-in dirt out. So step two is apply your cleaning product to the mats and scrub them with a stiff brush. I use the Super Clean Degreaser, diluted at 3:1 on the rubber mats, and the Turtle Wax carpet cleaner on the carpeted mats. But there's no reason that you can't use the diluted Super Clean on both types of mats. Also, if you find that you have some road salt stains, try spraying them down with a 50-50 mixture of white vinegar and water. Once you've soaked the mats with cleaning product, work the product in with a firm brush. You can use a brush like this one here, but why would you want to do that when you can use this cool brush that you attach to your cordless drill? Not only is the drill brush easier to use, it actually does a much better job of cleaning the dirt and grime off of your floor mats. Work the drill brush in a back and forth fashion, making sure that you clean the entire area. Also make sure that you reverse the drill too. That's going to work the fibers in the carpeted mat in the opposite direction, which helps get all the dirt out. Do this for as long as necessary to get that ground-in dirt out of the mats. Step number three is rinse and dry the floor mats. At this step, I pull out my power washer and I thoroughly rinse off the floor mats. Again, make sure that you don't use too aggressive of a nozzle, as all you're looking to do is get the loose dirt and soap off. Work the power washer in a back and forth motion, making sure that you don't get too close with the nozzle. Once you've rinsed off the mats, I use my leaf blower to dry the rubber mats, as leaving them out in the sun can fade them. For the carpeted ones, I use a wet dry vacuum to get the water out of the carpet, and then I let them sit in the sun to dry thoroughly. You want to make sure that you vacuum out as much of the water as you can so that the mats dry a little bit quicker and don't stay waterlogged. The fourth and final step is apply a non-greasy dressing to the rubber floor mats. Now, your carpeted floor mats are all done and they just need to dry in the sun. But the final step in super cleaning your rubber floor mats is applying a non-greasy dressing to give them a fresh, clean look. You'll notice that some rubber floor mats look dull and faded after you clean them, and that's pretty common. So if you want to give them that new look, you can apply a dressing. It's very important though that you use a non-greasy product, which can be very hard to find. The last thing you want is getting any slippery or greasy product on your shoes and then transferring that to your brake or gas pedal. Now, some people have used Duragloss tire and rubber dressing, Solution Finish, or Aerospace 303 protectant. But the only product I would use is WeatherTech's TechCare Floor Liner and Floor Mat Protector. Now, I have used this product on my Corvette's WeatherTech liners and it works great. But I have not used it on any non-WeatherTech mats. So if anyone has tried it on any non-WeatherTech mats, let me know in the comments below how it worked out. Now, if you'd rather not take a chance with any dressings, I would recommend getting McKee's 37 Floor Mat and Cargo Liner Rejuvenator, or Chemical Guy's Matte Renew Rubber and Vinyl Floor Mat Cleaner and Protectant. They're both cleaner and rejuvenator products all in one, and they work great. And whichever way you go, the results are pretty impressive. Well, that's it. That's a simple 4-step process to super clean your vehicle's floor mats and make them look like new. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe. And more importantly, support the charity of the month if you can. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.